in her video, I'm going to show you how to make a very slime. So the things you'll be needing are glue, some salt, and flour. I don't have the flour and salt because it's in my detergent and it will be so great if I get it. Yeah, honey. Yeah, just kidding. He's asleep. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna pour some of my glue. That's done. So I'm just gonna mix it up. Just everything because it's a little bit of watery. So I'm just gonna squish it out. And I definitely gonna fill the salts. The salt is getting out. You can use Orbeez to make these ones, but I don't have any Orbeez. Once before I have Orbeez, now I don't have one. So yeah, here it is. Super easy and super fun to make. So yeah, super easy to make. Just need to squish it up. So I never do it again. So here it is. It's super easy and you can make it for a party for your kids. Like this. So cool. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Sorry about my voice because my sister is here. Say hi, sis. Hi. Hi. He's using a hand. Somebody's sweet. There it is. So yeah, if you got it, guys, in this video. So cool. Super easy to make. Yeah. It can be a little bit stone if a little bit different.